Here we go again. Through the cut. Another broken Ripper 37, and I have no idea. I'm not good at it. I think I've done all these blades. I'm getting pissed off. Here's the weld. It didn't break at the weld. None of these rippers have that many sharpens on it. Maybe, I think the most right now my rippers have 2. These should not be failing. Now I'm going to tighten this up, and you tell me if I'm putting too much tension on it. Many of you follow my channel. I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how I do my blades and why are my Ripper 37s from Jerry's Resharp breaking. This is exactly how I'm doing it. I'm not going to do anything different. If you followed my channel, you've been seeing all kinds of these blades break. Now, I'm a very big fan on how the Ripper 37s cut and perform. I'm getting very frustrated about them breaking though. I never had this problem with any of the Norwood blades. I've gone through 20 Norwood blades. I got a box of 10, and the one they give you originally, I'm on my second or third box of Ripper 37s, and I've not thrown any away because I've just gotten old. I've only gotten rid of them because they've broken. That's the only reason. Let me show you what I do. There's no blade on here right now because it obviously broke. So I'm going to back it off. I back it off 6 turns. I have a piece of tape on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Push that in. So let me know what you think. So hopefully you can hear me. The book says 5 turns. Now we're in the blade guides and we're looking good on the belt or the band wheels. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'll spin it. Make sure she's tracking great. Oh yeah, it looks great. The gullet is flush with the band wheel. Let me show you what I have. This is really hard to get a visual on, but that's pretty flush. That looks pretty good there. And that's where my washer is sitting. That last blade broke not even in the cut. It was out of the cut. So my last 2 blades have broke out of the cut. So let me know what you think. Am I putting too much tension on that? I highly suspect I am. And it's getting to the point where I may buy a tension meter, one of those Lennox tension meters. They're several $100s. And see where we're at and go from there. I'm going to talk, maybe I'll give Ripper 37 a call and ask him, could I be doing wrong? Any of you have any ideas? Let me know.